Tamil Nadu. Brief history of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, a South Indian state, is famed for its Dravidian-style Hindu temples. In Madurai, Meenakshi Amman temple has high Gopuram towers ornamented with colorful figures. On Pamban Island, Ramanathaswamy temple is a pilgrimage site. The town of Kanyakumari, at India's southernmost tip, is the site of ritual sunrises. Capital Chennai is known for beaches and landmarks including 1644 Colonial Fort Street. George. The history of ancient Tamil Nadu can be traced back to about 6,000 years back. The Dravidian civilization encapsulates the state of Tamil Nadu. Its neighboring states of Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Dart. During the 1st to the 4th century, the early Cholas ruled the lands of Tamil Nadu. Main cities of Tamil Nadu. Chennai. Chennai, popularly known as the Gateway of South India, Chennai is noted for its beaches, medical tourism, bird-watching sites, Fort Street, George and religious destinations like Street, Mary's Church, Kapaleshwar Temple and the Big Mosque. Chennai is today one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. With a modest beginning as a tiny fishing village, the city of Madras, or Chennai as it is officially known, is today one of the most important cities. Ooty. As its lofty mountains and sprawling tea gardens greet tourists arriving here, one look around and you know instantly why the beautiful hill station has been named the Queen of the Hills. Arguably the best hill station in South India and one of the most popular honeymoon destinations in India, Ooty, officially referred to as Udhagamandalam, with its picturesque hills, emerald lakes, waterfalls and distinct colonial charm, is one of the must-visit tourist places in Tamil Nadu. Madurai. Madurai is a wonderful tourist spot in India, especially for people with a spiritual bent. Tour in the holidays is certainly a dream come true for anyone. Madurai, the temple city, is rightly called the Athens of South India. Tamil Nadu, the modern industrial city's main claim to fame, is as the temple city. At first glimpse of the city that greets you are the magnificent gopurams of the Meenakshi temple. A pilgrim's dreams come true only after a tour to Madurai. Kanyakumari. Situated at the southernmost tip of peninsular India, Kanyakumari, formerly known as Cape Comorin, is one of India's most beautiful beach resorts. A beach destination that's a must for any beach lover, Kanyakumari is known for its interesting myths and legends, spectacular sunrise and sunsets and different colors of sand. Kanchipuram. Known as the city with 1,000 temples, Kanchipuram is indeed one of the most important tourist destinations of Tamil Nadu. The city, which is also famous for its rich silk saris, offers the tourists to the land with a culture that is undeniably one of the richest and the wisest cultures in the world. Rameshwaram. A tiny island in the Gulf of Mannar, the beautiful city of Rameshwaram is one of the most popular tourist destinations of Tamil Nadu. One of the most important features of Rameshwaram, a major tourist attraction of Tamil Nadu, is its popularity as an important pilgrimage center, equally sacred to Vaishnavites and Shaivites. Best tourist attractions of Tamil Nadu. Meenakshi Amman Temple. Meenakshi Temple, also referred to as Meenakshi Amman or Meenakshi Sundareshwara Temple, is a historic Hindu temple located on the southern bank of the Vaigai River in the temple city of Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. It is dedicated to Meenakshi, a form of Parvati, and her consort, Sundareshwar, a form of Shiva. Shore Temple. The Shore Temple is so named because it overlooks the shore of the Bay of Bengal. It is a structural temple built with blocks of granite dating from the 8th century. At the time of its creation, the site was a busy port during the reign of Narasimhavarmana of the Pallava dynasty. Golden Temple, Sripuram. The Golden Temple complex inside the Sripuram Spiritual Park is situated at the foot of a small range of green hills at Thirumalekodi village, 8 kilometers from Vellore in Tamil Nadu, India. It is 120 kilometers from Tirupati, 145 kilometers from Chennai, 160 kilometers from Puducherry and 200 kilometers from Bengaluru. Monkey Falls. Monkey Falls are natural waterfalls located near the uphill Ghat Road Valparai on the Pollachi-Valparai Road in the Annamalai Hills Range, in Coimbatore district. Monkey Falls is about 30 kilometers from Pollachi. Refreshing natural waterfalls about 6 kilometers from Azai Dam. Marina Beach. Marina Beach is a natural urban beach in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, along the Bay of Bengal. The beach runs from near Fort Street, George, a distance of 6.0 kilometers, making it the longest natural urban beach in the country. Best market in Tamil Nadu. Thyagaraja Nagar. Ritchie Street. Pondi Bazaar. Burma Bazaar. Spencer Plaza. Famous dishes of Tamil Nadu. Dosa. The poster boy of Tamil Nadu food. There are so many types of dosas. Tomato dosa, onion dosa, rava dosa, vegetable dosa, plain dosa, masala dosa. Sambar. Sambar is a curry just like the dal, but what makes it differ is the different spices and vegetables that are used to prepare it. Coconut chutney. Uratu chamanti is the local name for coconut chutney in Tamil Nadu. It is made with grounded coconut, dry red chili, particularly roasted red chili, ginger, mustard seed. Banana bonda. I know all of you have seen and eaten bondas, but this bonda has a different stuffing though cooked in the same way, instead of adding potato and other veggies. Murukku. Murukku is one of the most famous snacks that got its origin from Tamil Nadu, and its name means twisted. Again, the batter for the murukku is made by a mixture of rice flour and urad dal with some salt, water, cumin seed. Parupu Payasam. One of the best sweet dishes of Tamil Nadu is the Parupu Payasam. It is made by roasting moong dal and cooking it in the pressure cooker. Pongal. This is a staple meal during every auspicious festival of Tamil Nadu. Beside the rice and sweet milk, the dish is cooked with ingredients like cardamom, green gram, raisins and cashew nuts. Transports in Tamil Nadu. Chennai International Airport is an international airport located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Karaikudi Junction Railway Station is a major railhead located in Karaikudi town, serving the people of Shivaganga district in Tamil Nadu, India. The Chennai Metro is a rapid transit system serving the city of Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Population of Tamil Nadu. Total population of Tamil Nadu as per census is 7,21,47,039. Crime rate in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu state stands 5th in all crime records in 2013, 7th in number of murders, 16th in number of rapes, 3rd in number of robberies, 12th in number of thefts, 13th in number of dacoities, 15th in number of kidnappings, 7th in number of riots. Infrastructure of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has the second largest economy in India. Over 50% of the state is urbanized, accounting for 9.6% of the urban population in the country. Manufacturing at 34% and agriculture at 21%. Government is the major investor in the state, with 52% of total investments. Official language of Tamil Nadu. Tamil is the official language of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is one of the official languages of the Union Territory of Puducherry and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Education Institute in Tamil Nadu. Madurai Kamraj University. Anna University. Worship places in Tamil Nadu. Brihadishwara Temple. Brihadishwara Temple, also called Rajajeswaram or Piruvudai Koil, is a Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva located in Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu, India. It is one of the largest South Indian temples and an exemplary example of a fully realized Dravidian architecture. It is called as Dakshinameru. Meenakshi Amman Temple. Meenakshi Temple, also referred to as Meenakshi Amman or Meenakshi Sundareshwara Temple, is a historic Hindu temple located on the southern bank of the Vaigai River in the temple city of Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. It is dedicated to Meenakshi, a form of Parvati, and her consort, Sundareshwar, a form of Shiva. Thillai Nataraja Temple, Chidambaram. Nataraja Temple, also referred to as the Chidambaram Nataraja Temple or Thillai Nataraja Temple, is a Hindu temple. Dedicated to Nataraja, Shiva as the Lord of Dance, in Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu, India. Facts about Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu holds the record of state with the highest literacy rate with 80.3%. The world is going super costly day by day. Tamil Nadu has something very unique in its corporation restaurants in Chennai, where one can get idlis for Re1 and curd rice for 3 rupees. One of the oldest known languages is said to be Latin. But as it's not being in use anymore, Tamil language grabs the spot of oldest living language. Tamil Nadu has a spectacular reservation policy for its citizens. The Brahmins and the high castes are not covered under it. Rest 90% of the state population comes under the reservation quota. The state is bestowed with age-old temples and complex infrastructures. To honor such structures, UNESCO has marked 8 World Heritage Sites in Tamil Nadu. For any state, trade is a considerable source of tourism, as Tamil Nadu state is the largest producer of turmeric and banana. Also, the state is the second largest producer of coconut, mango and groundnut.